Section views are actually really easy once you've done your view base command. So let me get rid of this too. Once you've created your base view inside of a drawing, you can then pretty easily take the same tools and create section views from that. So the tricky part is that that's under the Layout tab, and you'll notice under Create View we've got our View Base tool here. We also have our Projected tool, and here we have our Section View. So once I click on Section View, it's going to first ask me what view do I want to create that section view from. I want this view. It's then going to ask me again where I want the section point to start from, and here it's really important to remind you it's probably a good idea to have your object snaps and your snap tracking on so you can pick a point and then move above it. Keep in mind that your section line needs to start off the part and continue off the part as well. I'm going to turn on my orthographic here just to make sure I get it aligned, and I'm going to click a second time. Now I can keep going actually and keep making this section view, but I just want those two lines, so I'm going to hit enter for done. Then I can pull that section view either to the right or to the left of the parent view. I'm going to pull it over here to the right, and then it's going to ask me for all the same options that I had when creating the base view. I'm just going to say enter. You can change those later if need be. And it creates that section view, and notice it automatically creates our section line, the appropriate label, and the view. Now in this case the label's kind of in a bad spot because of where my title block is, so if I turn off my orthographic lock, I can move it around and I could put it above the view, for example. So I could place it like that. So there's a real quick and dirty way for making the section view. Let me know if you have any further questions. Thanks.